something's wrong with you. Really. You're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Hello.
Well, hi!
Name's Bruce. It's all right, I understand. Why trust a right?
So?
What's a couple of bites like you doing out so late, eh?
Nothing. We're not doing anything. We're not even out.
Great! Then how'd you morsels like to come to a little get-together I'm having?
You mean like a party?
Yeah, you're right. A party. What do you say?
Oh, I love parties. That sounds like fun.
You know, parties are fun, and it's tempting, but we can't because...
Oh, come on, I insist.
Okay. That's all that matters.
Hey, look, balloons. It is a party.
Mind your distance, though. Those balloons can be a bit dodgy. You wouldn't want one of them to pop. Anchor, chum!
There you are, Bruce, finally.
We got company.
Well, it's about time, mate.
We've already gone through the snacks and I'm still starving.
We almost had that feeding frenzy.
Come on, let's get this over with.